Okay, next one is the intercept of a graph. Everyone take a look at this one. Okay, see the graph. What is called intercept? Now you see this is a y-axis. So this is this point is a y-intercept because this graph they hit or cut with the y-axis at this point. So this one we call y-intercept. And then this one, the graph or the picture did not meet on the line x-axis. So this one no x-axis. No x-intercept. Okay, so this one no x-intercepts. Next, this graph you see, this is the x-axis, right? So this point is the x-intercept. This point also x-intercept, and this one also x-intercept. So we're gonna have 3 x-intercepts, and this is a y-axis. At the same time, at this point is have one y-intercept also, because this point is what? 0, x0, y0. Okay, so this have one point, right? For example, this one 0, and assume this height is maybe say 3, right? So this is gonna be have the y-intercept point which is equal to x0, y3. Okay, mean this point, the y-intercept. Okay, now see this one. Y-axis have two y-intercept at this point and this point, and also have one x-intercept because this x-axis, the graph made as an x. Okay, so this graph we have 2 y-intercepts, 1 x-intercept, and this one have nothing, no intercepts, because the graph, the picture did not meet or hit at x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this called the intercept of the graph. So this kind of more in detail, explain more in details from the previous example. Okay, now we see more example about this one. See down here, can I move up? Okay, now see this. So see this one. See the example. Identify x and y. So identify the x and y intercept of the graph. Or maybe I delete this one first, the old one. Okay, so right here. So you see from the graph right now, you didn't plot graph, but they give graph for you and want you to read the x and y intercept. So you see this x-axis represent x-intercept. So you see any graph cut or made or cross the x-intercept, x-axis. So at this point, correct? This one is a 0, right? So this one is a 1. So this one have one x-intercept, which is the coordinate point is x equal to 1. Sorry, this one should be -1. Okay, so this one, the coordinate points are at this point, or this which have x-intercept is x equal to -1 and y 0. At the same time, you see this one. Okay, this point, this one 0, then this point should be 1, right? So then this have y-intercept because it's a y-axis. So then this is a y-intercept at this point. And at this point, we have coordinate equal to x0, y1. That means this point, this have y-intercept. Okay, so that's the answer for this example. Okay, the example. So how to plot graph for this one? A1 can be recalled. Maybe I give you more how to plot this graph. This one, they give you this equation. Again, do x-intercept, y-intercept. Okay, so from this one, you have x-intercept, y-intercept. That means you have 2 points, right? Let me see. Let's explain like this. From this one, you have here, right? Because for example, we don't have this graph, but they don't have this side, okay, this graph. So question 1, you get this graph y equal to x cubed plus 3. So then you find x-intercept, y-intercept. So x-intercept, y have to be 0. Okay, so then you write this one y equal to x cubed plus 1. So y0, so replace in there y equals 0, x-intercept, so x squared, x cubed plus 1. So then you move negative, plus 1 become negative, right? Move to this side, so become negative. So then x equal to what? Cube root, right? Negative 1. So that means x equal to negative 1. Why? Because you can see this is a cube root, right? Inside negative 1 is what? Going to be negative 1 times, that is negative 1 times negative 1. 3 times. So they just take it out equal to negative 1. Okay, so then this one, x equal to negative 1, y equal to 0. So at this point, x-intercept is the coordinate is x negative 1, y 0. You see that same or not here? Why this one? Same with the green one here. So then do find y-intercept. Y-intercept. That means x becomes 0. So replace this one. So become y equal to x is 0, right? So 0 power 3 plus 1, so equal to 1. So at this y-intercept, so the coordinate point is what? x0, y1. Okay, same this one, right? x0, y1. So then you plot x0, y1, x0, y1 somewhere here. And then this point is what? Where here? X negative 1, y0, so it's gonna be here. Same, right? Then this point you have to label it down. Say this one 1, x0, y1. And this point is a x minus 1, y0. Okay, this is a 1, okay? And this one is a negative 1. Okay, so then we know because x power q, the graph should be somehow like a little bit curved. So otherwise you can represent more here. This is a 1, right? This is a 2. So you can replace on this side one more point if x equal to 1 here. So you put 1 here. So y become what? 1 power 3 plus 1. So equal to 2. Okay. If this one means if x equal to 1. So this point you're going to have x1, y2. So x1, y2, you go up here. So x1, y2 approximate this point. Okay. Then down here you can represent one more point here, negative 1. This negative 1, so you can say this and represent with negative 2. So replace this in formula again. Okay, so y equal to, if x equal to negative 2. So you replace x power 3, right? So you replace x with a negative 2 here, power 3 plus 1. So this one become negative 2 power 3 is what? Negative 8 plus 1. So equal to negative 7. So at this point, we have coordinate x negative 2, y negative 7 here, right? And this is a y. And get, so now you plot from here, negative 7, go down here. Negative 7 should be somewhere very long, like wrong here. Assume maybe here. If you continue this one, right? Make it down here. Okay, then you extend this one, that's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably here, negative 7. So then negative 2, negative 7 right here. Okay, then you can plot approximate graph. Okay, because my scale not the same what they have, so just this one is enough. So then like this one, a little bit curve up, and this one go down here. Okay, it's somehow like that. This one, if you replace between like a 0 point something and 1 point something, maybe this top gonna be a little bit curved. But when you plot by manual, it's like this. I accept it. Okay, I'm okay because they are very close anyway. Okay, x1, x1, y2 here. So you can plot like this, right? Then be a little bit curved like this and go up. Okay, so they're really close anyway. 1, 0 to 1 should be a little bit curved like this and go up. Okay, so I delete this one a little bit. Can I? Because this one, if you repeat like a 0 point something here, they're gonna be go up a little bit, like curve like this, and go up like this. Okay. Okay, this is about the way how to plot graph. You only find out x-intercept and the y-intercept, and you by side you can repeat one more point for both sides, left and right, and the rest, the tail here, you just approximate. That's it. Okay, the main thing, I will check your answer from the x-intercept, y-intercept. The later value is about approximate. So I don't need many points. The idea have to be this one. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all. And then you can practice questions, check in your GC. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. See you next class. Bye.